Tlry stock is #1 on my watch list, and here is why. You look at that bottom down there, it has held this bottom for over a year now. I am alerting this in on Twitter. I'm going to go straight to Twitter, and I'm going to alert this right here, right now, live. Let me post this real quick. Here is the alert for the month. We are in October, the beginning of the month, and Tlry stock right here, right now, 10,000 shares at 1.68 is where I bought in at. I didn't buy it at 1.67, but I wasn't going to sit there on a limit order. Big alert. We already did this once. Let's do it again. Okay, there you go. There's the Twitter. So if you're not following on Twitter, there's your Twitter alert. Free, of course. And then if we come down, you'll notice recently that get ready to buy again under 1.70 will alert when I buy and sell. And look, Tlry on the September 23rd, I made a post. Tlry, here's a free alert: 10,000 shares at 1.72. Abuse the trading range, friends. And then I sold it at 181 on that pop here on that green candle. So we're just gonna keep rinsing and repeating this. Let's not complicate things. Let's keep it real simple. Keep it simple, stupid, and you'll make money. We switch over to the charts. We know it's at the bottom of this range. That's your cue to start accumulating the stock. I like to lump sum with this stock. You're never going to buy the exact bottom, of course, but the best thing we can do is buy under 1.7, and then when it comes back up to 8 or maybe even as far as $2, which it tends to go to sometimes, it would need a catalyst. It would need some kind of headline. If we get a good headline, we can go as far as, I mean, look, it went to $3. It can go to $3, which is a nice, almost 100%. Not quite. It would have to go to $3.40 for 100%. But either way, why not abuse the trading range? Why not abuse it? The market abuses gamblers. Let's abuse the market when it gives us these opportunities to buy at the bottom and swing trade it to the upside. So there you go, guys. If you want a nice little 10%, more than likely, because I flipped it for 10%, really, is what happened, or 9%. 9 to 10% last time. So, it's an easy 9 to 10% as long as its bottom holds. So why not keep doing that? The one time I'm wrong, I take the loss and I move on. That's it. I don't hold the bag all the way down because you don't want to get caught with the reason I'm saying that is because people forget the risk. I'm well aware of the risk. I will take the loss if that bottom doesn't hold. And I say that because look at APDN here. It was holding here at 121. It popped to 28, pulled back to 124, ran again, pulled back, had another little run, and then it fizzled out and died. And it went from 120 to 30 cents. So that's why I'm saying, like, you don't want to hold the bag though. Take the loss. The one time it breaks down, you take the loss, and that's it. That's the end of the game. That's the end of that stock. Because I mean, it's clearly not holding a bottom at that point. So why not keep abusing this thing that has held for over a year now? It's going to go on to 2 years of just holding the bottom. I think it'll continue to hold. I think it's the #1 wheat stock right here. At least if you're a swing trader. I don't know if you'd want to hold it long term. Really, it's a good swing trading stock. I don't know if you long term this stock sucks because you switch over to the monthly and you're like, well, long term it's just been going flat. Let's zoom in here. Yeah, long term it's just been going flat. Like long term it's just flat. So I would much rather. This is like a swing trader's dream boat right here. Literally a dream boat. This is money in the bank for swing traders. So continue to abuse it. Continue to take advantage. Comes down. Let the suckers push up the price, and we bag them and we rinse and repeat. So there you go, guys. That's the play for October. Easiest money you'll ever make. If you want, you can definitely wait to see if it comes down as low as 160, maybe even 150. It can't come down that low. As you can see, 150 is like that's the line in the sand. If that does not hold, be ready to take the loss because you never know. It might go down to 30 cents. And for those of you who don't know, if Tlry goes under $1, it's going to have to reverse split to stay on the higher exchange. So there's a lot of risk if you decide to hold the bag. It's best just to take the loss. You don't want to be a mulling shareholder holding it all the way down to 10 cents, then it reverse splits, then it does it again and 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 again. Look at that monthly chart. That is an ugly. I think the quarterly chart looks ugly too. Yeah, look at that quarterly chart. Every quarter just red. So You don't want to get caught up in that. Okay, you got to look at both sides of the equation, the good and the bad. Let's take advantage of the good right now. If it doesn't hold 150, we take the loss, we move on. That's it for the video. Number one wheat stock. Get in there, guys. I'll see you in the next one.